Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create double color effect on an image. I have already opened an image of my choice as the background, so now I'm going to start off with creating a new layer. Then change the foreground color to any you like. Now select the brush tool and select a soft edge brush. Set the brush size to a large size. You can resize your brush using square brackets on your keyboard. And now paint half of the image like I have done. Then change the layer blend mode to multiply. Now create another new layer and repeat the steps. So change the foreground color to something different to the first color. I'm going for aqua now. Then change the layer blend mode to multiply again. Now click on adjustment layer icon and select curves. Here experiment by dragging and changing the curves levels until you are happy with the results. Then close the window. Go back to adjustment layer icon and select labels. You can again experiment by changing the left and right stops. So that was a short and simple tutorial on how to create double color effect on an image. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also feel free to leave any suggestions for more videos you would like to see.